Hey, it's Lindsay. Up next, we have our 15-minute Swole and Flexy active flexibility workout, and it starts right now. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So our first exercise is going to be on the ground. We're going to be doing a 10-second pike stretch to arms reach up. So starting here, reaching with a flat back for 10 seconds. Good, and then reaching up. And back. And you can grab onto your feet if you want to. And reach up. Good, do like a big stretch up to the sky and back down. Each exercise today is gonna be 1:30, and we are gonna be doing quite a bit of easy recovery today. And reach down. 30 more seconds left. Really stretching out those hamstrings and those calves, maybe those ankles too. Our next exercise is going to be couch stretch on the left side. And 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Good, here we go. Into our lunge position, and we are grabbing that back leg and pulling it towards us. This is also really good for working on balance and flexibility too. Good, make sure you're keeping that chest upright and you're pushing through, diagonal, and forward. If you're having trouble with this, you can always put that foot back down on the ground and let that hand touch and help support you. And if you can, pull that leg a little bit closer. And hold that stretch. We have about 30 seconds more before we switch to the other side. Good. Pushing just a little bit farther as we near the end of this. Trying to keep those hips tucked under, not arching our back. We're stretching our hips and our quads. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Switch sides. So we are on our right side now. And go ahead and grab that back leg once you are balanced. And start pulling that foot towards you if you can. Remember, don't let your lower back take all of the stretching. Make sure you're keeping your hips tucked under so you can really feel the stretch in your lower quad. We have about a minute left. Really pushing forward, and go ahead and start to pull that leg closer to you. Good, 30 seconds, almost there. And remember, if you need to, you can always put that hand on the ground. You can try and bring that leg up yourself. But if you can, balancing and grabbing. 10 seconds. And 3, 2, 1. Next stretch, we're gonna be on our belly for cobra stretch. So here, and we're gonna be slowly pushing up and down, using your upper back to lift you up off the ground, and then controlling it back down. Good. And back up. Trying to make this as little arms as possible so we can use our back to strengthen and become actively flexible. Really feeling a good stretch at the top, trying to push down those shoulders and open up that chest. And back down. "20 seconds left. Last one. Good. Next exercise, kneeling eagle arm wrap, 45 seconds each. So we're gonna be in our kneeling position, and we're wrapping our arms by putting our elbows together and our hands locking and pushing those shoulders down. Good, and really pulling those shoulders back and down so you can feel a good stretch. Keeping your chest up and big, making sure you're not hunching over. You want to be up nice and tall. And 3, 2, 1, go ahead and switch sides. I'm going to keep those elbows high so I don't hit the mic. 30 seconds. Good, keep squeezing. Use your upper back to squeeze and keep your chest big and open. 10 seconds. Next exercise is going to be butterfly stretch. And 2, 1, very nice. So switching to that butterfly position, really opening up our hips and hinging over at the hips to feel a nice stretch all the way through here. All of these exercises are really great for helping to recover from that high intensity exercise that we have been doing lately. Good, let's relax over in 5 more seconds. In 3, 2, 1. Good, go ahead and relax. Just trying to get as close as you can. Good, keep holding 20 more seconds. Our next exercise is going to be prone angels, which is perfect for that shoulder active flexibility that is very much needed in our exercises. And 5 seconds, 3, 2, 1, here we go, flipping onto our belly. And we're gonna start down here with our arms back behind us, and we're gonna keep them close, moving nice and slow, close to our head, and then pushing overhead and squeezing with straight arms, reaching out and back in. If you need to make this one a little bit easier, you can relax down onto the floor a little bit more. But the best way of doing this is definitely bringing your shoulder blades back as much as possible and really strengthening your upper back. Good, we have about 30 seconds left. Keeping those arms close, pressing overhead, arms straight, and back down. Big shoulder blade retraction. And last one. And reach up, opening those shoulders and back in. 2, 1. Very nice. Our next exercise is seated V-up stretches. So we're starting on one side and we're holding in that nice V-up position, trying to pull that leg towards us and keep our chest nice and open and really feeling the stretch in our hamstring. Good, 15 more seconds on this side and then we are switching sides. Good, switch sides, pulling that other leg towards you. If you're having trouble doing this, you can always go a little bit lower on your leg, or you can let that leg relax at the bottom. Good, keep squeezing, try and bring that leg a little bit closer to you now. 15 seconds. And 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Our last exercise today is gonna be puppy dog stretch. So here we go, trying to leave some space in between our body and pushing our shoulders to the ground. Good, really feeling the stretch. And if you can, push a little bit farther. About 35 more seconds left. Fifteen seconds, almost done. 5 seconds, and 3, 2, 1, and done. Very good job today, you guys. Make sure to hit the like button if you like this video and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for working out with me today. Let me know in the comments how that workout went for you, and also make sure to leave me a like if you like this video. I release a new workout just like this one every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see all the new workouts. Also, if you want to get even fitter, check out this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow.